Ordinary visitor, visitors to France, even in France, ordinary visitor Nini, His Divinity, Papa Simon Kembongu Kiongani, spiritual leader and legal representative of the Kimbangwist Church. Dear authorities, dear members of the Church, I do not want to be long. I will focus on 3 essential points. I would like to speak in Lingala and French. First of all, it is with great honor, and above all an enormous privilege, that I address you today, on a memorable and historic day, at the same time, in 1992, manipulated either by ignorance or, let's say, Marshal Pap. Of course, it was not necessary, but as a historical force. And then, do the Congolese people really value Papa Simon Kimbong? Is it because Iran, Iraq, in short, all the Arab countries, Prophet and Muslim, only, Holy Family, his Africa, each race, liberator, each race, messenger, is it a historical force? There is Papa Simon, a current of thought, because it is a tribal cliché, or, beyond tribes, Gabon, Ethiopia, everywhere in Africa, people talk about this name. Do I believe that Papa Simon, world heritage, undisputed divinity, is necessary because, in reality, the foundation of humanity, Africa is the cradle of humanity. Understand that Africa, not only humanity, but also integrity, morality, no black man, generation, and there is no other curse apart from contempt, wrong place, right place, power, I can assure you, identity, beyond culture, but identity, being, every Congolese, whether religious or not, we have a head within us. All paths lead, on television, to a spiritual leader, a divinity. Telephone television only but dad his divinity Simon to see culturation generation institution of support for democracy but very difficult institution Belgium France divinity moderator dad in the name of the Father and of the Son and of the Holy Spirit. Thank you.